So guys, the folks over there at Ventray just sent me a professional grill to test it out and to see how good it is, and they just love what Yardie TV is doing, and so they decided that they wanted me to just sample their grill, and so I'm just gonna unbox this grill right now and show you guys what it's all about. You understand? Let's see if I can take this out of the box. And I know the wifey is gonna love this one because we always, you know, Yardie TV is cooking all the time, right? So you weren't supposed to say, you're supposed to just say, you wasn't supposed to say nothing. You're the official camera person. So guys, let's get into it. It is supposed to be a smokeless grill, yeah, that you can use on the indoors to make sure that you get all your grilling done inside. Wow. So let's take this out of the box. Let's see if I can manage to do so on my lonesome. All right, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Awesome, 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 awesome. Wow. First and foremost, I love the packaging. Nice. And of course, it also shows you the size of the grill. You know, it's very nice the way in which it comes. And so, yeah, just gonna open right there like so, like so. And expose our grill. Wow, more packaging. All right, so we have a box here. I think these are some of the grill stuff, you know. Yes, some of the grill pans and stuff like that. Nice, right? You get a nice tray. Yeah, that's awesome. And it's non-stick. And then you get your warranties and you get your owner's manual. Beautiful. Then you get QR code, welcome to the family, and it shows all the other stuff that they have available, including slow masticating juicer, stand mixers, and oh, they have a whole host of masticating juicer. Baby food maker. Yes, they have also the mini oven, and they have the e-grill smokers, and this is the one that we have here. And they have professional blenders, dishwashers, and stuff like that. Then they also have, this is awesome, a very nice recipe book with pictures. Oh, girl, I know you're gonna get into that. I know you're gonna get into that. All these stuff can be used in your electric grill. You understand? This is thick. Yeah. It's a thick, right? All right. They have the power cord here, and of course, I'm gonna try to get the grill itself out. All right.
Ooh, what color is that?
And then we're gonna just, all right. And this is the cover of the grill.
Ooh.
And it's lightweight aluminum. The cover is lightweight aluminum. And this is the grill itself right there. All right.
Wow.
And it's a nice teal blue, you know. And of course,
I like the size. It's easy storage. Very compact.
yeah, and it just enough to make food at home. And I guess you put this in like so, and there you have it. Nice little grill. We're gonna try it out and see. Now you have some button here: off button, low button, mid button, and high button, so you can know, you know, your grill, how much you are gonna grill, what level you are gonna grill. So guys, check it out, Ventray. Yeah, we're gonna try the grill and see how it work, and let you guys know how everything work out. Let's get into grilling. So just before use, you want to make sure you wash your grill pan with just some dishwashing soap and a soft sponge. It is not recommended that you use it in your dishwasher at all, okay? So just wash it over the stove, over the sink, sorry. So to check out our Ventray tabletop electric grill, we are just gonna make some quick sliders, and we're using pork and beef and mushroom, and we're just gonna make a quick slider. So you want to season up your meat, and you can add any seasoning that you like. I'm adding some slap your mama and some garlic, simple little seasoning, and mixing your meats. Again, I use pork and beef for this recipe, adding in some onions there. And then you just want to mix your ingredients, and shape your burger patties. Whatever size you so choose, you just shape them like that. And from there, you are basically ready to grill. I just shaped mine into like a little meatball. And once I get all the meatballs done, I pretty much can start by preheating my grill. All right. And so once I preheat my grill, I am ready to start grilling. I also wanted to make like a mushroom slaw, and so while the burgers are marinating a little bit, I am cutting up some, common mushroom. You can use some portobello mushrooms if you want, along with some onions that I will be just sauteing and caramelizing and putting on top of the sliders. All right, so make the sliders them nice and tasty. So you just want to cut your onions up real quick and some garlic, and we're gonna quickly saute those. Put in your stuff, and we're gonna just leave this, make it just do its thing. All right, we're just gonna leave this and make it do its thing. I want the onion them start get caramelizing, and the mushrooms start getting nice, and just build a little vibe off of this right here. So you see me. So once your onion and mushroom is nice and starting to do its thing, saute down and reducing and caramelizing, you want to start by placing your burgers on your Ventray electric tabletop grill. And once you put them down, guys, you don't have to move them. Okay, you want to get that nice grill mark. That's gonna happen once you keep them, steady in one position. And this grill is so versatile that it can hold up to 6 sliders at the same time. Here I'm just putting a little bit of oil down on the plate to coat the burgers so that I can move them around with or press them down with the spatula without it sticking too much to the back of the spatula. This you want to grill on high for, at whatever time you want based on the type of burger that you're making. But I can tell you guys, it fast. The grill hot very, very fast, and it also grills very evenly. That broad hot plate setting at the back there underneath the grill pan makes for a nice even heating element. And so you don't have to put your burger in too long for them to start getting brown on each side. I love the fact that you can also turn up the grill and turn it down at your leisure so that you can monitor your burger. Look how the burger them look when I flip them. Nice grill mark. It look like foreign. It look like real burger, like you'd buy a burger in a store and get the grill mark. That's what I like about the grill. And of course, guys, we wanted this to be just medium, because I'm not really too, the rare meat and stuff like that, but it turned out perfectly, and we can't wait to grill some more stuff, some chicken breasts and some portobello mushrooms and stuff like that in our Ventray electric grill. Me like it. And guys, I promise you will enjoy using this. All right, so make sure you get yourself one. Now we just put some provolone cheese on top, and if you put the cover on, you will be surprised to see how fast the cheese melts and everything just turn out perfect. Yes, perfect. Now we're just setting up our burgers, and I tell you the truth, me start eat some before me even realize what was going on. It was so good. So guys, if you are in the market for a nice comfortable little tabletop grill, you really want to grab yourself a Ventray grill. Yes, it's an electric smokeless grill, and it works. You understand? We did not have that strong obnoxious smoke smell in the house. We never have no soot. We never have nothing associated with doing an outdoor grill at all in the house when we were done. Here I am putting my little onion a mushroom, you know, saute on top of my burger and trying to make it look nice so that the wifey can love it. And this was dinner. This was dinner. We just shared it with the family. Everybody got themselves 2 or 3 burgers, and we were quite comfortable. So I am 100% pleased with my Ventray grill. I can tell you guys, the link to purchase your grill will be in the description of this video. So go on out and grab yourself a Ventray grill ASAP. The next thing I wanted to tell you, there is also a cube that comes with our grill. Guys, look at that. Look at this. This one is French toast. You can make French toast tonight. Wow. All right. Tater tot casserole. I'm just telling you guys. There's a steak kebabs. This is awesome. Look at that. Steak kebabs. Oh, wow, 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 wow. I'm telling you, it's nice Hawaiian teriyaki chicken kebab. I'm telling you, I'm not going to want a grill like this. We come with the recipe. You see me? Look on this. Sausage casserole. Casserole. And the first thing when I like, one of the easiest thing when I like about the grill is that you can just simply take up the pan, the tray pan when you're done grilling. You can pour out whatever oils or whatever gravy, whatever is left in it, and you can just wash it over the pipe. Yes, it's not dishwasher friendly, so you just wash it over the sink. I love that. You understand? And that's the only moving part of the grill that needs to be scoured or washed. And you use a little sponge and wash it. You don't have to use no stainless steel or no scouring pad or anything like that. And you wash it off and just turn it down to dry and you're good to go. So guys, that's it guys. My review of the Ventray tabletop grill. Light, easy to use. I think it's well worth the price, and if you are out there in the market for a tabletop grill, grab one. You're gonna see us use it more often as we move along with Yardie TV's recipes and stuff. We love the burgers, how them turn out. The grill, it was done evenly. The grill really worked. It really worked. And so guys, big up on yourself, and remember, live and laugh, cook and eat, and get yourself a tabletop grill from Ventray's, and me a telling you, so uno aga love it. Big up on yourself, and bye. Yeah, the Belly TV says so after all.